Hello, good viewers. You're welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to provide a solution to this geometric progression question on the board. And the question say, find the seventh term and the sum of the first seven term of the geometric progression 4, 8, and 16. So solution. So the formula for geometric progression is UN is equal to A r to the power of n minus 1. This is the general formula for geometric progression, and this un represents the last term we are asked to find, and this a is the first term of the geometric progression, and the r is a common ratio, and my n is the number of 10, and negative 1 is constant. So to substitute into the formula, so we are asked to find the seventh term, which is the last term we are asked to find. So I'll have my u 7 is equals to a is the first term plus the geometric progression. The sum is 4, 8, 16, and so on from the question. So the first term is 4, which is a, and the r is the common ratio. To get my common ratio, 16 divided by 8, it will give me 2. 8 divided by 4, it will give me 2 also. So therefore, the common ratio is 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of n. N is the number of 10 we are asked to find, which is 7 minus 1. So we are successful. So u 7 now will be equal to 4 multiplied by 2. Then 7 minus 1, it will give me 6. So from here now, you can see u7 now will be equal to 4, and this 4 can also be written as 2 to the power of 2. It will give me 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 6. So u7 now will be equal to, remember the law that say when the base is equal and there's multiplication in between. So we are going to pick one of the base then and add the power. So the base they are equal, we pick 1, then and add the power, which is 2 plus 6. And it will give me 2 to the power of 8. So therefore my u7 now will be equal to 2 to the power of 8 will give me 256. So that is the value of u7, which is equals to 257. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.